Now finding the standard deviation using step deviation method. Now class intervals are given to us. Now, class intervals. It is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 70, 80 and 80, 90. First thing what I am going to take, that is the xi. Okay, now xi is equal to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Okay, so 25, 35, 85. Okay, then fi. Fi is already given, that is 3, 6, 13, 15, 14, 5 and 4. Now let A is equal to, let's suppose A is 55, H is 10, and summation for Fi we are having now on adding this, it is 60. Now first thing what we are having, that is ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. Okay, so I am writing here ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. Now very simple thing, now we will be getting 25 minus 55, that is negative of 30 divided by 10. H is what? 10. So just go on. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Very simple thing. Fast calculation. Then we are having Fi with ui. 3 with 3. Now negative of 9, negative of 12, negative of 13, 0, 14, 10 and 12. Summation for Fi ui is equal to, these three are negative, 34, negative of 34 and negative of a positive of 36. You can just write it. Negative 34 and 36. So Fi ui is 2. Okay. Then we are having Fi ui square. Again Fi frequency with the square of this one. Okay. So all will be positive. Now this becomes 27, 24, 13, 0, then 14, 10 and 12, 14, 20, sorry, 14, 20 and 9 for the 36, I was sorry. Okay. So now here it becomes Fi ui square, this is 134. Is it clear? So now from table, now we are having Fi is 60, Fi ui, that is 2, ui square, that is 134. Now standard deviation upon n minus whole square. Okay, and this is also n, one and the same thing. Okay, now let's evaluate the values. Now this is equal to 134 upon 60 minus 2 upon 60. Sorry, one thing I have missed, that was times h. Okay, so whole of this times 10 now is equal to 10 upon 60, 134 into 60 minus 4. Okay, so 1 upon 6 times 89.64, this is 14.94 answer. So by the step deviation method it goes very easy.